What if I told you, you don't need models, you don't need a camera, and you don't need money to create professional fashion photos? Right now, small brands are using AI to create images that look better than real photo shoots. It's the ultimate advantage. I'm going to show you exactly how they do it step by step using completely free tools. But most people are doing it wrong. To get realistic results, you must watch until the end. This can literally change how you build your clothing brand. It's about working smarter, not harder. No photo shoot, no expensive models, just the smart use of AI technology.
What if I told you the fashion images you're looking at right now were created with zero budget? No camera, no model, no photo shoot. And yet, they look like something from a real brand. Stay with me because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do this yourself using completely free AI tools. Let's be real for a second. If you're a small clothing designer, you already know the biggest problem. You have good designs, maybe even amazing designs, but you can't present them professionally. And in today's world, presentation is everything. People don't buy the product first, they buy what they see. That's why big brands win. Not always because their product is better, but because their presentation looks premium. But today, that changes. Let's start with something simple. Right now, I'm using Bing Image Creator. And the reason I'm starting here is because it's completely free and surprisingly powerful. All you need to do is upload your design and write the right prompt. That's it. No complicated setup. Now watch this. I upload my coat design and I use this prompt. Ultra-realistic male model wearing this clothing, streetwear style, urban background, confident standing pose, natural lighting, detailed fabric folds, realistic shadows, high fashion photography, sharp focus, modern clothing brand style, 4K. Now let's generate. Okay, look at this. Take a moment and really look. The lighting, the folds, the shadows. This doesn't look like AI anymore. This looks like a real photo shoot. And remember, this cost nothing. Now here's where it gets interesting. I download this image and now I try a completely different audience. Let's switch to female fashion. I upload another design and use this prompt. Stylish female model wearing this clothing, urban street background, confident pose, natural body posture, realistic fabric texture, streetwear fashion style, soft shadows, golden hour lighting, high detail, sharp focus, modern Instagram fashion aesthetic, 4K. Generate? Now look at this result. Same idea, but completely different vibe. This one feels like Instagram, more trendy, more social, more alive. But we're not done. Now I take the same clothing and change only the style. Beautiful female model wearing this clothing, natural candid pose, soft daylight indoor lifestyle background, relaxed expression, realistic fabric movement. Generate again. Now this feels personal, more human, more real. And this is important because different styles connect with different people. Now let's go even deeper. What if your brand also sells for kids? Let's try that. I use this prompt. Stylish kid female model wearing this clothing, urban street background, confident pose, natural body posture, realistic fabric texture, streetwear fashion style, soft shadows, golden hour lighting, high detail, sharp focus, modern Instagram fashion aesthetic, 4K. Generate? And just like that, you now have a full brand, men, women, kids, all from one design. Now pause for a second and think about this. A traditional photo shoot would require a model, a photographer, lighting, location, editing, and that could easily cost hundreds, even thousands. But here, you just created multiple professional images for free. Now let's move to the second tool, Leonardo AI. This one is powerful. It also has a free plan with some limits, but the quality is very strong. Now I upload my coat design again and use this prompt. Professional male model wearing this clothing, simple pose, clean background, studio lighting, realistic fit, high detail fabric texture, natural folds, commercial fashion photography, sharp and clear, premium clothing catalog style, 4K. Generate? Wow, look at this. This looks like something from a real online store. Clean, sharp, professional. This is exactly what brands use for product pages. Now let's push it further. I upload a t-shirt and go for a streetwear look. Ultra-realistic male model wearing this clothing, streetwear lip background, confident standing pose, natural lighting, detailed fabric folds, realistic shadows, high fashion photography, sharp focus, modern clothing brand style, 4K. Generate? Now this is different. This is not just product photography, this is branding. Now let's try a female version. I upload a dress and use professional female model wearing this clothing, front-facing pose, clean white background, studio lighting, realistic fit, natural folds, high detail fabric texture, product photography style, sharp and clear, commercial clothing catalog, 4K. Generate? Again, clean, simple, powerful. Now, here's something very important. If you don't like your result, change your prompt. You are in control. You can adjust lighting, background, pose, style, until it looks exactly how you want. Now, let's check the last tool, Playground AI. This one gives you flexibility. Now, I upload a jacket and use this prompt. Professional male model wearing this clothing, simple pose, clean background, studio lighting, realistic fit, high detail fabric texture, natural folds, commercial fashion photography, sharp and clear, premium clothing catalog style, 4K. Generate? And here it is, another strong result. And the best part is, you can download this and use it immediately. Now, here's the part most people miss. And if you understand this, you will be ahead of 90% of people. It's not about the tool, it's about how you think. Always remember these. Number 1, your prompt is everything. Bad prompt equals bad result. Number 2, realism comes from details, shadows, folds, lighting. Number 3, never use one image. Always generate multiple. Number 4, be consistent. Same style equals strong brand. Now, as you look at all these images again, imagine this is your brand, your designs, your identity. No budget, but high quality presentation. This is how small brands become big brands. So don't wait, start creating. Test different prompts, improve your results, because right now you have an advantage and most people are not using it yet. If you made it this far, you're serious. So take action and build something powerful, because now you have everything you need.
The difference is action. Start creating, test your ideas, and improve your prompts today. Subscribe for more strategies and comment AI fashion for the advanced tutorial. The future belongs to creators who use AI. Don't get left behind.